today I'm going to do another mascara haul, and all these items are not only from Sephora, some are from the drugstore as well. And this is how my lashes look right now. It has grown a lot. I'll insert the lash progress here. I've been using this lash serum. It's the Cavilla lash serum that you're able to get at shop Kelkeltan. I will also link it down below. Okay, so the first one here is the Urban Decay Perversion waterproof mascara, and I really like it because the previous one that I really enjoyed was out of stock already. I used to love this Canon mascara from Urban Decay, but it's phased out already, and I really love this because it has a lot of fiber and it doesn't make my lashes go downwards like that. It's not too heavy. And then I found this other one, it's pretty good. It's not as good as Canon but it actually does quite well on my lashes. So this is how my lashes look like. It's very straight, and how I do this is that I always have my curler. So this curler is from Excel, and it looks like that. I think I'm more used to doing my right side. Anyway, it looks like that. I'm just gonna curl. So how I curl it is like I just curl the top first, and I move it downwards, and I just keep pressing it on like that, and then go downwards. Then you'll see a gradual like curling effect. Just don't pull your lashes, like let it glide out slowly, open up, and then go downwards, and just keep clamping it, and you'll see how curled this is already. Can you see how curled my right side of the lashes is? So this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the technique that is super duper useful. I'm gonna use this on my right eye now. So this looks like that for the Perversion waterproof mascara from Urban Decay. It has quite a big bone, and it's quite voluminous as well. I'll show you guys right now on my lashes. This is actually just a few coats. I'll show you guys the more dramatic look. After like I think a little more than just a few like coats, it's quite dramatic now, as you can see. You can see how voluminous it is, and it's also like not clumpy, and I really love it. I really love it. This is the Perversion mascara, and I will give 10 upon 10 because this is amazing. And from below, the second one that I want to show you guys, it's this Loreal Lash Paradise Voluminous in waterproof, and this actually feels like the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, but I think it's even better, especially with a cheaper price tag. So as you can see, this one also has a very thick wand, and it also is quite watery, but I really love it when my mascara dries up a little. But this is also pretty good, just that for Lash Paradise it is a little bit more clumpy as compared to the Urban Decay one. Okay, this is Lash Paradise. So this is just a light coat, and you can see how elongating it is. And then for Lash Paradise, I try not to go for too many layers because it will clump up. Unless you're going for that clumpy look, then we can build it up. See, just a little bit more and it's so clumpy already. I'll show you guys the results of clumpy lashes if you guys want like a more dramatic one, but this is how I'll go. L'Oreal Lash Paradise Urban Decay Perversion, just a light coat for this. Okay, so this is how it looks with a more dramatic effect. And it's very difficult to brush it out anymore, but I think this is the best I can go, and I really think that a light layer would do. So this is how it looks. So right now I'm going to try out this Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. This is a pretty new launch and it has curl and length here, and then volume on this side, so it's dual-sided wand. I'll show you guys in a bit. Okay, so as you can see, this side it's the one that is voluminous, and then this side it's curl and lengthening. So the bristles are of quite different sizes, and this is more on the heavier side, and then this one it's just more precise, and you see the curvature, it's a little bit more curved. So I usually like to go with the curl and lengthening first, and then I'll go in with the volume side. I'll show you guys. Yeah, I have already curled my lashes, and then this is the curl and lengthening side. I'll just go in and then just bring it through like that. Oops, and you can see like it just quickly lengthens my eyelashes. If you want to go for that natural no makeup look, you can use this. However, I just feel that for this Huda Beauty's mascara, it kind of weighs down my lashes. So after a while, my lashes go from up to a little bit droopy, so I don't really like this mascara. Although a lot of people out there has been raving about this mascara, and also because that it is double-sided, dual-ended wand, right? A lot of people think that it is very value for money, but I just feel that it just weighs my eyelashes down. Okay, so this is how it looks, and my eyelashes, they are not as perky and high as before already. It's already weighing it down. Okay, then moving on to the voluminous side. This is the volume one, and you can see that it adds a lot of like I would say it actually thickens my lashes, but all in all it's just very heavy. Don't really like the consistency of it. At first I thought I like it. I actually reviewed this on my IGTV when I first bought it, and I thought it was not bad, but as you can see, it just weighs down my lashes. So I think it's just like maybe, I don't know, 3 upon 10. Okay, so the next one might be my favorite. This is the Lash Sensational by Maybelline, and this is waterproof, and I really like it because it's very easy to glide on my lashes, and it's not clumpy at all. It has this really nice and precise bristles that actually combs out the clumps. So even if I'm using the Lash Paradise, I'll use this last to comb out the clumps, and I really love it. Okay, so this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I would say that it lacks a bit of volume as what I've mentioned. However, it actually helps with you know, holding my curls. I just like to do this. Just comb this way and then rotate it, comb and rotate, comb, and it gives off a very nice and clean strand by strand lashes, if you get what I mean. Best if you want to go for those like no makeup look, I think this is the best. A light coat of it will do. However, if you want to build it up to a more dramatic look, you'll be able to. So this is how it looks, just with a light coat. Okay, so the next one is just Lancôme Monsieur Big, and I heard a lot of good things about it. Okay, I would say that this has a pretty big wand, as you can see, and it's also a lot of like bristles, and it's not the plasticky kind of wand. However, like I feel that this one doesn't grip onto my lashes well. I would say it lacks volume as well, but we shall see again. Maybe I'll have my second thoughts. Lancôme Monsieur lashes. Lancôme Monsieur Big. And I just feel that like it doesn't hold the curls well. And it's just a very basic mascara. I don't understand the rave about this, and somehow I can't make it too voluminous as well. Just a very basic mascara. This is how it looks. Side view. Okay, so this is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift, and this is waterproof and it has quite a big wand. I had a pretty good feeling about it, but it turned out to disappoint me. I'll show you guys. The Lash Lift mascara here. You can see just with a little bit of mascara, right? Like I feel that my lashes has already went downwards. Like it already weighs down my lashes and it doesn't hold up the curl as well. It's just very clumpy. I mean, it's alright. I don't really like it either. And it's weighing my lashes down already, as you can see. Slowly but surely. No, I'm still not liking this. Okay, so this is the Lights and Camera Lashes by Tarte, also highly raved, and I think I tried 2 times buying the full size and it is a disappointment. I really don't like this, and this don't suit Asian lashes, I swear. So I've curled my lashes again, and you can see this side, the right side, right, it's quite curled, and then I'm using the Tarte mascara. After a while, right, like it just weighs down my eyelashes, and it's really not a good look. I swear, can you see? It's just not doing well. And it smudges on my under eye here. Bad. Hourglass one that I really like. It is really good. To show you guys my current favorite eyelash color. This is by Excel, a Japanese brand. I used to like the Shiseido and Shumera one, and then this one, it's very cheap as well. It's affordable and it just cleanses my lashes so well. I also wanted to tell you guys my 2 favorite eye makeup remover. The first one would be this simple one. It's oil based, and then this also is oil based, but it's not as oily as the simple one, and they're both very gentle on my eye. And a lot of people have been asking me how I remove my mascara with this Heroin Make waterproof mascara, because this one, it's really very difficult to remove. And even if you're in the swimming pool or like in the summer, if you use this, your mascara will never ever smudge. And how I easily remove them, it's using this tool. So I think if you guys are interested, you guys can go and grab this. It's very cheap. You can get this at your drugstore. I would also like to emphasize that it is very important to take care of your lashes. If you want to protect your lashes from heat damage, or if you want to grow your lashes, you can use this every single night, and it really protects my lashes. And you really need to see my lash progress on this, because it is so amazing. I will attach the image down here so you guys can see. You guys can also grab this at kelkeltan.com. It is 56 per piece, and we also have an all year round promo bundle, 1 for 56, 2 for 100, and 3 for 146. And I'm sure you guys will enjoy using this. Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower and I just wanted to show you guys how to use the Cavilla eyelash serum. You just simply apply it on your lash line, and then if you want to apply it on your bottom lashes, it's fine too. You're done.